CUQIMUX PTON Tup Vale CHPTUMN NVTA NKLA VTNR TWOU
Good afternoon. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's election day in the U.S. today, so could get some interesting action. Market looks green so far. We're holding up back over 380. I did see that Bitcoin, though, for some reason is down quite a bit. So it's back under 20K and the 19Ks again. So market up, Bitcoin down. So they're kind of breaking apart. They've been together for a while now. Good morning, Broda. Good morning, Discipline. Thanks, Drawbars, for the sub. Happened during the intro. Get some music rolling for the day.
ESSC.
How you guys doing today? What's up, JD? Good morning. Oh, the FTX Binance thing? Okay, gotcha. What's up next?
Wacom.
I saw DWAC went back up yesterday. I was trading it in the disgusting chop zone, like 21 to 22, maybe 22.25. And then it looks like at 11:35, it caught like an algo. Just went up. Hey, Jonathan, good morning. Welcome in. So we have a 82% runner this morning. Just now looking at the top gainer list. ICCM. And it must have just got news. Yeah, received significant milestone in Medicare coverage of breast cancer procedures. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's newer. Jonathan.
RCM.
Anything have significant news at 8:30 or at 8 besides ICCM? I didn't really get to look. I was busy setting this up.
SSP. ICCM.
Man, that thing is thin. Let's look at it. Oh, it did not. Is it really that high? It's 950 already. Man, this was... I remember this went down to like 5 something. We thought it was looking good here. Maybe get back in the gap. Rejected really hard, but V-bottom.
Lace.
And now it's made its way into like an inverse head and shoulder now. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Or maybe like a partial gap fill at least. But the ER beat. Oil is not up at the moment, but it's up overall this week already so far.
NRBO. CNHI.
We got that. HIMS is the second top gainer at 24%. Hims and hers. That ICCM one looks nuts. All kinds of weird stuff's going on with this. Daily. So average volume must be insanely low on this. 10 million float. Average volume, 32,000 shares a day.
EBR.
And it was pretty much at bottom here. Looks like a D-SPAC maybe?
SPRO.
Or an uplister. It looks, I don't know.
SPRO.
Something along those lines. SunW earnings. Good. 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 Now that's a decrease. Good. Increased backlog, 116%. See, this is good. You got gross profit on a penny stock. But the company reported a net loss of 5.4 million in the third quarter. So I guess right back to it. But they lost less than they did the year prior.
ADCT.
So they're close to figuring it out, but they're still technically negative on the quarter.
Wacko.
DWAC is kind of going down right now. Appreciate you guys stopping by. SPRO is getting some volume.
Sid.
Oh, is that one that's finally going to fill the gap? SPRO? Or break out of that long pennant that's lasted forever? Yeah, I had news, brother. That's the one. Okay. Closing of exclusive license agreement.
BBD.
They received $66 million up front and are eligible for up to $525 million. But that's the one with like the longest pennant ever. Are you still in that? Got the pennant here. Got the gap above, 200 above, the wick above like 250. It's a real breakout.
Lays.
This gap right here, the gap up, or this gap down?
APRN.
Surely it's this gap up, right?
HUDI.
Yeah, the up, okay. That's what I figured. Bitcoin may be a really nice dip today. And that includes Mara too. Mara, Riot. We got to watch Bitcoin like a hawk today. Yeah, they bought 7.4 million. Yeah, I agree. It's one of those like we knew it was going to happen, but it finally like officially happens. Mara down 5%. Gonna watch Bitcoin really close because Mara should have a big recovery because the market is up today. This is the zone Mara is usually like up to $11, $12. Anything else? Let's get the ICCM again. They're walking that baby back down so far. All red volume for the most part. Got that one tick right here, like 30K volume on the first stick, and it's all been sales. But why wouldn't you? If you happen to be in this thing from one, why wouldn't you start selling at 250?
NRBO. Son. BSBR.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about, this one. That is potential known news.
Riot.
I scalped it on the initial spike. I may take it again if it can get through this 222 to 225 level. Oh, you bought it yesterday. That's funny. All right, 250. First target. Over 225.
LXU.
Yeah, I'm watching HUDI on one of my charts as well. So HUDI, of course, dropped from 120 to $15 yesterday. And ICCM had the news. They're up, super thin one. And then SPRO. Those three.
OCUP. INVZ.
Offering on HUDI was at what, 23 or something, if I remember correctly.
NRBO.
Not much this morning, but at least, a little bit.
ADCT.
There's HUDI testing 20 through 20. I took a stab at it at 1912, and it was just sitting there for a second. I had 100 shares, and it came back down and went to 19, and got back to my average, so I got out. It's one of those that could have been at 18 in a second or lower. But it's ripping now. 2074. Remember, this is very, very risky one, very thin one. If you are playing it and trying to scalp it, quick momentum, go very small. Because you could buy 2010 here and it be at 18 in a blink of an eye. And there's no stop losses in pre-market. So yeah, I made $3 on it. Hey, good job. That's around where I had it. I had 1912, I think, and sold 1915. ICCM curling a little bit. Trying to go up and test VWAP, it looks like. HUDI went to 21.05. Let me look and see what the offering price is.
ATHX.
$25. Okay. And it was only 1 million shares, if you remember. 1 million shares, which is very small for offering.
BSBR. SPRO. ATHX.
Yeah, it's falling. I don't know if it's reacting like that because people are figuring out that this was known already. It's like when you get a an offering and then you get that offering close PR. Everybody knows the offering close PR is coming. There's no catalyst there. There's no reaction. Or reverse split. Everybody's waiting for that. Oh, we're in compliance news. That's a non-event. I don't know if this is a non-event or not, but the fact that, you know, they make an agreement and they finally close it, that's actual news. So they made this agreement a while back. Let me go look. September 22nd. Exclusive license agreement.
KSPN. Riot.
With GSK, which is exactly what this is. They announced it, and then now we are getting like the license agreement is closing, so it's official now. Basically, is what they're saying.
BLRX. OCCCL. ICCCL.
HUDI is still above 20. Go back over to SPRO. It's still hanging out. Chart still looks good, but yeah, the news was just that they are closing the deal, like locked in.
MRNF. SOXL. Kino.
And nothing's really going this morning. I mean, that ICCM stock went over 100% for a second.
NUW.
But now it's back down to 51%. HUDI back under 20 now. It may end up being SPRO just by process of elimination. There's really nothing else moving.
METX.
ICCM looks like it wants to curl. I've been staring at it here, but it's just not going. It's like it's frozen at 160.
SGLY.
Yeah, the setup's definitely there, for sure, on SPRO.
ICCM and RBO.
I don't know what Baroda's targets would be, but the beginning of the gap is 240. So 240, 250 psych, and then 3. I mean, there's a lot of room. 375 to 200. The wick right here is 318. There's a lot of range. I think it needs to get over 240, 250 first. It's not really getting a whole lot of action, though. So after 240, 250, it should start pushing up towards 3, I would imagine. There's really nothing on the chart that says otherwise. HUDI trying to hammer up and go back over 20 here. That was scary, though. I don't know if I want to even touch it with 100 shares now. I had 19, 15 or whatever. I don't think I'm ever going to get that again unless this full fails. Here's 8:30 news. What we got?
BBPR.
BBPR definitive agreement to supply EV conversion kits for 4x4 electric light vehicles and landmark deal. not sure how huge that is, but it says landmark deal right in the headline. ATXI completes acquisition of Bayergic Bio. About it.
BLD SOBR
BVPR starting to get a couple bids here. Not sure what I think about it though. BEEE just got a 114% increase in revenue. Hey, Berkey, what's up? $228, $230, $244, $260. Yeah, sounds about right.
WTRH FRZA
I can't get a feel for what BVPR is going to do. It looks good for a second, and then it doesn't, and then it looks okay again. It's really sold off on the daily, but who knows how big that news really is. It's already slowing down a lot. Yeah, I saw that. It got a big spike there. Interesting. It's becoming, like I just said it like 10 minutes ago, especially after 8:30 news, it's going to become the process of elimination trade that literally nothing else is up. So this is going to be the one that goes.
AKAN
We'll see.
ROIV
Volume just goes to nothing on this thing. HUDI now back under 18, so that's probably done for the day. Not yet. I want to see it get up through these levels. I feel like it's just in between right now. Either you buy at 2 or you buy through 220. Yeah, I agree.
METX.
If DBGI does not offer, they're going to have a big push, I think, before long, especially if they have a PR, because they are 6% short and they are 500,000 float now. So it's all up to them not doing any dilution. And it's not something you can just guess, but if this thing starts running, it could go. Yeah, YouTube, Netflix, Twitch, no doubt. No doubt. It's the top 3. Yeah, there's nothing really right now. ICCM was the top gainer, went 100% for 3 seconds. It's all the way back home almost now.
AERC. ILAG. PRTY. ESSC. ABEO. ICCM. Hive. WTRH.
Oh man, there's just not a whole lot today, guys. Not much. Not much to watch, not much to trade. I'm a couple minutes away from playing Contexto for the day. Oh, ICCM actually bounced a little bit, but it sold off from crazy highs. What's up, Fernurky? FFIE and BLTA, oh my god. The thing was moving yesterday. No way ICCM actually goes now. That would be a very 2022 move though if it pulled this off. I was trying it right here for this break up through towards VWAP. Full rejection all the way down to 130. And then looks like algos or something turned on.
NRBO. ATXI. OBE.
Ooh.
ATXI. ATXI. OCUP.
All right, it's time. A little contexto.
METC.
What are we starting with today? Okay. Yeah, I'm annoyed Bitcoin died too. Have you played this before, Premarket? This is cool. You just guess a word. It tells you how close the word you guessed is to the actual word. Boom. It usually takes much longer to get that.
MRNS.
I think we did like 40 guesses yesterday. That'll do it. Wow. Okay, cool. I don't think this has an unlimited. Or I would do another one. That was so fast. Hold on. So this must be relatively new. No, I don't think there is an unlimited one. This is like a true one a day type thing. Yeah. Man, that was fast. That was too fast. Yeah, yesterday I think it took like 40 guesses or something. Yeah, that was anticlimactic. See if we get any 845 news. Sometimes it's a rare occurrence. We'll get one. Okay. JFBR put Amazon in the headline and got some algos, even though they were talking about like going away from Amazon. That's kind of funny. SPRO flagging a little bit on the 5, but it needs through that 220 level, man. The volume's just like non-existent right here.
OB. MTCR. NSPR. ATXI.
Nothing's really got the juice yet this morning.
NRBO.
What is it gonna be?
Knock.
Market's up. Little oil spike there. Is that an actual oil spike? Maybe an energy day. We'll see.
METC. TWOU.
Yeah, there's nothing. Hopefully Wordle's a little harder. Okay.
AMRN.
Okay. I don't know why I used a double T there. So E's probably like the third letter.
JRBR.
Okay.
SOXL. ATXI. MRNS. GLTO. ABEO.
Speed? No. Oh, yeah, it's gotta have an S in it. My bad. Or S is the beginning. Okay, never mind. I got the three letters already right here. SPE. They usually don't do plural, so it's not like spews. Spilo.
AKAM.
Spell. That's probably it. That's probably it. Didn't think about the double L. That'll do it. Good job. For Nerky undefeated. Market's trying to push higher here. Sad we don't get Mara with it now.
SRU. REVH.
Yeah, I have no idea. Like, there's nothing moving. What happened to Party City? Down 26%. Bad earnings. Yeah. So that'll be a penny stock before long.
Avco. CUK. Ruby.
RuneScape spell, yep. Apple's pretty strong this morning. Almost up a percent already.
Riot.
SPRO chart looks great right here. The 5 minute looks great, but just no volume. It's one of those things like a chart can look the best in the world, but if it doesn't have volume, it's not going to break out. But the thing about a good chart is usually it attracts volume. So we'll see. I'm still watching it. I don't want to take it unless it gets like to 220. But the 5 minute does look good. Looks really good right here.
Knock.
I've done voice at least like 5 times over the past year. At least, right? I don't know. I don't know. I just sit here with my own thoughts, you know?
LTRN.
Yeah, probably. Sounds about right. I'm thinking about 5 or 6 times is probably accurate. There's just usually nothing to, go over past 10:30, and that's when I stop stream, you know? Like, the market just freaking dies at 11, and it's game over. You can watch SPY, like futures is, yeah, I'm sure that's great, because you can watch SPY chop all day. But like things like top gainers and movers and stuff, they're game over by 10:30, 11 if you're lucky. Hang out online. What do you mean? Are you talking about stream longer? Stream, yeah. Yeah, usually at about, I've went to 10:30 before, but that's usually like, I'm at the point where I'm like, okay guys, everything looks like dog shit. Let's go ahead and roll out for the day. Yeah, I agree. But when there's nothing to trade, there's nothing to trade, and that's kind of what we're here for. But you are right. If I did it longer, I'd probably do better.
Arco.
Yeah, not a lot of people, what the heck? Not a lot of people, like big streamers, no matter what it is, are only streaming for 2 hours a day. But, you know, it also comes into the fact of making interesting content. I know, yeah, Contexto Unlimited. Yeah, please. Like, people are here to see me trade and talk about trades. If nothing's moving, then that's it. But like a gamer, on the other hand, there's always games. Like, you can always play, you can always do whatever. But with trading, I mean, it's specific time period, and when there's no volume, it's like the servers are down. Like, you can't do anything. All right, we got 9 a.m. news in about 10 seconds. I would imagine that we don't get anything.
WKHS.
WKHS earnings. That lost 35 million. I mean, it's better, but jeez.
Stim.
Damn. I don't know. Let me look that up. I pulled it up, saw it was down, but offering. No, that was the other day. I'm not sure. It had an effect last night. But it looked like they announced an offering on Friday. I'm really not sure. Yeah, I don't know.
SOXL.
Unfortunately, Veru is in play again today. And you know, a Veru day is a trash day, always and forever. So, that's what we got looking forward to today. Market trying to push highs here. Should push through. Oil down. Interesting. Yeah, market highs. So I'm guessing Apple's like on a tear right now. Yeah, Apple high of day. Bitcoin hammering, but doesn't look the best. Bitcoin's got a little H pattern of its own going on right here. BVPR just rehashed their PR. Yeah, there's not a whole lot, JD. Yeah, market's strong push here. What's gonna follow today? Is it gonna be the memes? Is it gonna be solars? It's not gonna be miners today. That's for damn sure. Oh, so everybody might be afraid of that. We'll see. It is up a little bit though. It's up 1%, but it was way down yesterday.
NRBO. VOD. CHPT.
NRBO hits the scanner like every cent it moves. I don't know why it's down 20% today though. FRZA still in play too.
ICCN.
Doesn't look like the best from a, you know, like a hourly perspective, but like it's still doing this daily, whatever you want to call it, liquidity setup or whatever. It can't fall below 220. It just won't, but it needs above like 250, 260.
NDRA.
Well, we don't have much. We do not have much for today. If it's a market melt-up day, maybe it's a meme day. I don't know if AMC will run up to their ER, though.
IQ, MRNS.
Yeah, that would be very helpful. Hey Zeus, what's up?
RCM. NSTG.
Spy? I'm really not sure. Like, there's not a whole lot today. You gotta go 88 miles per hour, though.
Wolf. SOXL.
What ran yesterday? Just Veru and DWAC. I have a feeling Veru is gonna do like a stupid hammer candle, 1450 to 1550 or something. The weekly on the Russell is looking good right now. Yeah, there wasn't really anything jitty yesterday. DWAC and Veru, as far as I know. Alright, let's get Weddle in, and then I'm gonna go feed the dogs. Alright. So wide receiver or tight end probably. The AFC that's older. Easy. You can't give me New England ones and expect me not to get it in like the third guess. All right, I'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes.
JELD. FSRD. AQB. Hood. SGLY. ATXI. NYSC. PSHG. SLAC. CGC.
All right, what we got? Got about 13 minutes till the bell. ICCM still top gainer at 39%. Oil. I feel like it should be up more than it is.
ICM.
But I guess the market is pulling back just a little bit. ICCM just straight wrecked this morning. Went as high as 275 in the first 10 minutes. And then wrecked. SPRC. Yeah, that one died yesterday too. It's sad looking at these charts. It's just depressing. Good Lord. And then Vero was your top gainer yesterday, or best gainer at on COVID news. Sorry, I was setting something up. Interesting. May have to restart.
HIBS.
Oh well. Alright, so we still got 10 minutes left. What are we gonna do till then? Yeah, ICCM holds 130s. Okay, yeah, it's bounced off 140 over and over and over again.
BVPR. FSRD.
You guys got anything else you're watching? Market is up. Market's looking pretty strong into the open.
ADT.
ICCM holding 140.
ICCM.
What was the other one we were watching? SPRO. Still in the same freaking spot. I mean, it's set up perfectly on the 5.
OCUP. PXMT.
The question is, like, are they going to fail it or are they going to push it up?
CEAD, ARCO. IQ.
Yeah, this is a kind of a depressing morning for plays. Oh. You guys vote? You guys gonna vote today? Probably gonna go afternoon sometime. SPRO volume going on. Yeah, the flag looks great, man. Just it needs the volume to break it out. ICCM still holding the 140 level. Beru over 15 still, no volume. Oh, you voted early. Got it.
WV.
It's sad that the mornings are so slow that we go through 3 different games and we still have to, wait around and just talk about nothing until the market opens. Oh, I went to this the face cam just because literally nothing is moving.
CGEN FFIE. SSP.
Still got 5 minutes to burn. This thing's starting to look a little bit more negative now because there's no volume. It's the issue. No volume.
OB.
Oil's down, Bitcoin's down, market's up a little.
ATXI.
RIDE, Lordstown Motors, has been grinding this morning. I pulled it up earlier because it was on the gainer list, but it looked thick. It wasn't really moving. Now it's just kind of going. I think it was like right after 8 here, at 213.
NRBO.
They had earnings. Did you find out why NRBO dropped off at 8 a.m.? I don't see anything.
LPL. NUTX.
And we'll get a halt somewhere if we're lucky. Yeah. No reason to even look into it because it doesn't even matter.
Lays. Tack. RVPH, QTNT,
2 minutes.
SDC.
Guess I'll go ahead and flip over to the intraday.
NUTX, HIMS.
Man, this was a long pre-market.
HIMS.
Very long pre-market. RSLS offering. RSLS. And it's already 20 cents. So they're offering and they're going to do a reverse split soon. Looks like. That's my guess. They're offering at 24 cents and they are, yeah, they're ready. They're giving up. It is going to get back above $1 on its own. All right, Vero, watching that for a hammer. SPRO, watching that pattern. And then CCM, got a whole 140. I don't know what HIMS is doing right now. It's barely over 140 right now. BVPR had that news earlier. Maybe that'll be a back burner that will pop up later in the day. Maybe. Your FFIE's on the top gainer list already.
HIHO, SCUR, TNYA, RGLSPR, RGLSKYT, SKYTXI, TEVPR, CCM, ATXI, LPL, RVPH, TVPH.
Oh, I lagged too much to get Veru.
VEE, SPWR,
Market waterfall just because it was up.
GRWG, RVPH,
Okay, Veru pushing back down again, probably with the market.
EIM, IGT, DHT, INTA,
ICCM, a little bit of positive volume.
ALLT, SRT, ATHX, ASTS, ONCY, CKYI, ARCO, LYLT,
Market said see you later. Catch you on the flippity flip.
CENX, LYLT, SPRO, GRWG, STIM, CLMT, MTRX,
GRWG, I have no idea what that is. Market looks like it's about to halt down.
ALLK, CTIC, EVBG, INTA, PYN, ALLT, SUNW, IMH,
Market went under 380 for a second.
OPRT, AMAM, GRPN, CORR,
Groupon, is what that is?
PTV,
Haven't seen anything that looks even remotely good so far. Yeah, Groupon with some weird action.
NCPL,
Very weird action. What is this? So market is under 380 now. Still straight down the 5.
OBRT, TNYA, OCUP, MJIN, AOMR, DOMA,
Now that's the VTNR I know. You see that, Broda? That's the one I know.
FGB, ESC,
Yeah, Tesla looks like it's gonna halt down. Tesla's got too much competition, plus Elon's in love with another baby now.
Trox, SKYT, DHT, AMRN, ONCY, Talk, Very, NXN, VORB, ONFO, ABSI,
There's some
PRST,
nasty.
IMPP, CDXC, PTV,
SPRO down.
GRPN, DHT, IMPP,
Groupon's still trying to push. What is up with that?
LFVN, ALLK, GRWG, ONCY, Talk, GRPL, AEHL, LYLT, OPRT, LPSN, ICCM, BBPR, AEHL,
Ride still trying to go. The Lordstown Motors Group.
PYN, ALLK, SKYT, ENTX,
What a day so far. What a day.
Debts,
Ooh, ICCM did a little fake breakdown, death candle into a push back up to VWAP here. Why is Mullins ripping?
OPRT, KLXE, ROVR,
Mullins kind of on a tear right here.
ICCM, ABEO, ABEO,
You hit ICCM. Did you hit it on that nonsense level? That full breakdown into a halt down candle. What is Mullen doing? It's getting decent volume here, 29 cents. Maybe it's just a bounce on the daily. Daily it sold off big.
CHRA,
Down around the 200. Okay, let's look.
CNHI, HOFT, KRT,
Yeah, it did a nice little, we're dead, gonna halt down under 130, go to 110 level, and then just popped it right back up.
OPRT,
SPR looks dead.
FGFPP, SFET, ALLK,
Should have
BCYC,
slapped Mullen, I guess. 30 cents right now, Mullen.
PRQR, INTA,
12 million, 13 million volume on this
ROVR,
5 minutes.
CMMB, GUT,
I could have hit that at 28. Just didn't see anything, any reason for it to be up, but it is red.
GRPN, LBPH, OTM, LBPH, LIQT, Task, AEHL, GRPN, PLG, ASUR, PNF, GTIM, DMTK,
I guess ICCM, straight up, straight down. Went to VWAP, now it's pushing back under.
MBRL,
Well, they hammered it back up. I don't know what this thing's doing. ICCM.
VORB,
Wow. Another ridiculous candle. So this one was red all the way down to 140. They hammered it back up just before close. Yep, I was watching it. I almost took it. But then once it broke below like 144 and was pushing down to 140, I was like, no way. No way. But boop, there it went.
NERV,
I actually tried to get 145, 5,000 shares, and it wouldn't, like I missed it.
Con, NRBO, GRWG, NIM, MBRX,
I'm watching for the market to show signs of reversal. I think that's when Barry is going to reverse.
ONCY, OCUP.
DWAC, a little bit of a push back up.
Con. VORB. GLTO, SNCR.
DWAC strong push here, 26.5. It was down to 24.80.
VORB. Semi VACC. STKS. CMU. TNYA. BBPR. CONL.
Okay, I took some Veru, 14.24 on this market reversal. I don't know if it's going to be like the full Veru reversal here, but I'm up a couple cents already. It's already starting to try to push down. Really thought it would curl with the market. Market's pushing here. 14.24. I don't really want to see it go into 14.20. Come on, Veru. Market looks okay. I'm about to panic sell out though here.
LBPH.
Not moving with the market. This is the whole reason I'm playing it. DWAC still strong.
SKYT. OCUP.
DWAC really strong. 27.
TCMD.
Market's back over 380. Pretty strong here. Come on, Veru. Just give me a little pop. I just went out for even now.
CMMB. LBPH. VORB. Cyan.
Yeah, it's not looking very strong here. Market's already starting to show a little weakness. Come on, Veru. Just give me a couple cent pop. Okay. There we go. Now I'm in the thought process of, am I greedy? Because I could get out right for even here. Probably. Market death. Okay, market SPY death. That's probably gonna kill me over here. Come on, Veru. Actually, Veru's popping. What the heck? We in opposite world today? Okay, I'm getting out just because I don't know what's going on.
OCUP.
Veru going up, market goes down. So they are opposites today. Well,
CMMB.
okay, whatever. Made $65 on it.
VORB.
Okay, DWAC still very strong here.
ATAX.
Pushing 28.
AMKR. NCMI.
But you know how DWAC is. It could be back at 25 in the next minute. Okay. Bitcoin trying to take a spill. It actually just went under lows just now.
ABSI. TCON. AFMD. VORB. VORB, MMAT, VORB,
VORB straight up from 3 to 370 over the past 10 minutes. No idea why.
VAXX,
Had earnings yesterday.
ACHV, TCMDEDS, NETI, HLMN.
Well, market went from full death to it's fine again. Gonna be one of those days, it looks like.
PLG,
Veru, I would have never stopped out. But it was one of those things like, do I sell for a green or do I wait to take a loss for no reason? So, oh well.
Fox, Argo, GRWG, BBPR,
Okay, I took 250 shares
RDBT
on that flush down.
ATHR, CRMD,
Could be getting me right here. Yep.
BSAC,
See ya. It was worth it though. It's worth the risk. But that's dead to me. BBPR, the back burner play.
PZG, CMMB,
Oh god, I hope that didn't come across the mic. My neck just snapped. Market pushing up now, so full death into bounce into full death into looking fantastic.
ALLK, AVCO, GRPN, CONL, DBD, VORB, GRPN, VORB, VORB, VORB,
Vorb still going.
INOD, ACXP, ONCY, GLTO,
Market pushing.
RXST,
Nothing going with it though.
GRPN, GRWG, MOLN, Vorbo, AVCO, NETI,
Solars are.
GRWG, MMAT, TBPH, VOT, NSTG, ROVR, VOT, GTVP.
Yeah, plug straight up
NCMI,
here.
TCMD. Add. TOBX. BVPR.
$15 on. Yeah, market pushing.
ONCY. IGT. OCUP.
Big push on the market.
INOX. CMMB. GRWG.
Plug 15 test. Yeah, solars do look okay, strong here.
AVCO. CCCC.
Market continuing to push. 381 almost again.
OCUP.
FCell 317.
RXST.
Wow, look at that SPY strength. So just another 2022 kind of move. Straight down, looking like death. Getting ready to kill it, and then hammer back up, send her on the highs. Classic. 381 right here. My gosh, what a 5-minute candle.
INDP. BVS. JFBR.
I tried AMC just a second ago. I took a loss on it. As before this, it was on this hammer. Soon as I bought, it dropped immediately to my stop loss. I took my entry. It filled like a fake wall almost, and then it started walking it down. Just walked it straight down like 5 cents to my stop loss. Good stuff.
LPCN.
Heck of a market move there, though.
FLKR. DMRC. NCMI. SGRY. NCMI, ICCM, EDSA, ICCM, WDH,
Yeah, today sucks so far. I'm right at even. I've been up a little bit and down a little. Today below so far. Yeah, AMC I had 539 and instantaneously it came down to 535 stock. Like instantaneously.
DMRC, CMPX, MPLN, XELA, MPLN, AVCO, XELA, NSTG, YTEN, GRWG, NCRA, PMCB, IINN, AVCO.
Forgot about AVCO having a PR. AVCO.
NETI.
Well, yeah, it's kind of depressing not having
PTV,
Mara.
PTV, SXTC, SDIGIG.
Mara is like my go-to because Bitcoin's been moving with SPY so often.
ACXP, ISR, STKS, ICCM, DOCS, AKTX, DRIO, ICCM, Gaku, Adil, SLRX, OCUP, CTIB, ICCM, AKAN, ICCM, Gaku,
ICCM more volume, made a higher low there.
ICCM, UPC,
It's got a ways to go. It's got a lot of ass to get through, but back up to VWAP. Once again, VVPR, death, okay. My God. Pushed up to 70, now at 50. Classic. Yeah, ICCM.
ICCM.
150 test here. Through VWAP, it might get rolling. We'll see. It is getting some volume. 345K on this 1 minute. So up through 150, should skip to 155, and then over 160, this thing should go. We'll see. Yep, it did a trap move again. Sure did.
OPRT, VVXV,
150 is pretty strong though.
SPRT, ARMP, MTRX, NUWE, CTIC.
Veru's got to be the inverse today of SPY. Looks awful, even though SPY's pushing hard.
SNB, OPRT, MMAT, OPRT, OPRT,
All right, market going back down again.
TCMD, GLS, AUD, AVCO.
Yeah, this is the reason I leave at 10. Because we are already dead. I have nothing I even like to look at on my screen. No breakouts, no volume, no continuation, no nothing.
CTIC. CSV, CPSS, VVLT, Vine, CFRX, TPOR, AYTU, Mogo,
Oh, ICCM failing hard again.
APYX,
Not a thing has went this morning.
ELVT, ONCY, CSV. PRT. CFBK. SRT. FUSN.
You couldn't tell it with the way things are acting. I hope it does. Solar's acting weak now.
PBYI.
What's that? I heard ISUN. What is that? Oh, red on the day.
ICCM.
Is that thing still up?
Hein.
So that thing's gonna do 20 different traps before it decides if it wants to go or not.
AYTU. GLTO. PRPHL. ICCM.
They can get it up above 155. It should go.
APCO. APME. APCO. Argo.
48K at 152, 27K 153.
SKYT.
Need some big volume right here if they're gonna get it through.
SKYT. QMS.
57K on the ask. Nope. Smashed it again.
TCMD, CENX. TCMD. MBSTW. YMAB. KLR. PSHG. SKYT.
What a frustrating day. The market looks pretty strong. Just nothing is happening.
GLBZ. SKYT.
Solars look strong again. Plug went all the way down to 1470.
CAPL. SKYT. Not. KDNY. Talk. XELA. 9. XELA. INBS. ADO. SKYT. PLG. Talk.
SKYT getting walked up for some reason.
BTCM. PLG. ASUR. NCTY.
Market looks strong, but I still don't see anything I like.
MMX. LWAY. BPTH. YMAB. ABCT. MRCC. AVXL. XELA. VORB. ROVR. CTLP. EJH. CTLP. XELA. DBS. SIOX. TCM DVD. SIOX. XELA. Score. JNUG. KDNY. ACHB. CST. UFAB. AGQ. SIVR. EHTH. ICCM. UFAB. SLV. GBP. GBP. GOAU.
ICCM is just screwing with everybody. Looks good, looks bad, looks good, looks bad, looks good, looks bad, you know. Get him to chase long, get him to chase short. Alright. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Been a very slow day, very boring day. No breakouts, no volume, no action. Usual day in 2022. Appreciate you guys hanging out. I will be back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. as always. Have a good rest of your day. See you.
TSVT, PSLV, Orla, NGD, and RBO. BSTN, IGT, AGQ, UFAB, SIBR.